Hello everyone, this is Alka and once again welcome back to my channel Study with Alka. Dear students, this is another video related to chapter Life Processes, which is the 6th chapter of your class 10th NCERT book, and in this video I am going to discuss about nutrients and nutrition, need of nutrition, and then I'll move further with my discussion about the two main modes of nutrition. Now, so let us start our video. So the first term that you all need to understand and I'm going to explain you about is the term nutrient. What are nutrients? Dear students, nutrients can be defined as those elements and components of food that our body processes to get its nutrition. So, nutrients are the essential elements of our food that our body further utilizes to get its nutrition and generate the energy needed for its survival. Hence, it is clear that nutrients are the elements while nutrition is the very process to utilize those elements. Now, dear students, please note that there are 5 essential nutrients. And those nutrients are carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. Dear students, also note that these nutrients are divided into two categories of macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are those nutrients which are required in larger quantity to fulfill the need of human body. And dear students, carbohydrates, protein and fats are considered as macronutrients, while vitamins and minerals are considered as micronutrients because even though they are consumed in smaller quantity, they are enough to fulfill the need of human body. So hope you are clear with the term nutrients. Now let us move further with our discussion about the process, that is the nutrition. Now, what is nutrition? So let us first start with its definition. Dear students, nutrition can be defined as the process by which living organisms takes in essential nutrients from environment and then further utilizes it to synthesize energy needed for their sustenance and survival. So, nutrition is the process of consuming essential nutrients and then further synthesis of it to produce energy, and then those energy are the very essential elements which our body need for their sustenance and survival. Hope you are clear with the term nutrition. Now, why do we need these nutrition? What are the need for these nutrition? Dear students, all living organisms, be it human or animal, need energy to survive and perform various day-to-day activities, right? We sit, we eat, we run, we play, we write, we dance. Everything we do requires energy, and this very energy is supplied through various nutrients. And this very process of obtaining these nutrients is what we call nutrition, and that is why the process of nutrition is essential for our life. Now, dear students, please note that there are two modes of nutrition. There are basically two main modes of nutrition, and those two modes of nutrition are called as autotrophic mode of nutrition and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Let us first discuss autotrophic mode of nutrition, that is nutrition in plants. Now, this term autotrophic is itself made up of two terms, auto and troph. Auto means self and troph means nutrition. So autotrophic nutrition is the mode of nutrition in which organisms prepare their own food. So that very mode of nutrition where a living organism need not depend on any other living organism for their survival and for their nutrition, and they prepare their own food, is called autotrophic mode of nutrition. And all those organisms which follow autotrophic mode of nutrition are called autotrophs. And some examples of autotrophs are the green plants. All green plants, my dear students, fall in the category of autotrophs, because we know that green plants are considered as producers. What are producers? Producers are those living organisms who have the ability to produce their own food. And we know that green plants follow autotrophic mode of nutrition, that is, they are those living organisms and the only living being of this earth who have the ability to prepare their own food. Other than green plants, my dear students, there are some autotrophic bacteria which also fall in the category of autotrophic organisms. Now, we will discuss about the term photosynthesis, my dear students. Photosynthesis is the very process by which plants prepare their own food. Now, we know that mode of nutrition through which organisms prepare their own food is called autotrophic mode of nutrition. But that very process of nutrition in case of plant is termed as photosynthesis. My dear students, please note that in this video I am just going to define you the term photosynthesis and give you its chemical equation. And in the next video, I'll discuss more about this very topic of photosynthesis, where I'll discuss about the raw materials that plants require in order to prepare their food, and then how actually this process of photosynthesis takes place. So let us first discuss about the definition. The process by which green plants prepare their own food from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. So the chemical equation which is helpful in representing photosynthesis is CO2, that is carbon dioxide, 6 molecule of carbon dioxide, 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O, that is water, together combines in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to give us glucose, that is C6H12O6. My dear students, please note that C6H12O6 is the chemical formula for glucose, and glucose is the stored form of food in case of plants. Also, you all know, dear students, that plant also produce oxygen. So in this chemical equation, my dear students, 6 molecule of oxygen is also released, and this oxygen is released into the atmosphere by the plant, and this very oxygen is the oxygen that we human further utilize in our process of respiration. So dear students, this is the pictorial representation of photosynthesis. See, there is a green plant, and this green plant is under sunlight, right? Sun rays are falling on these on the leaves of these green plant, and along with sun rays, carbon dioxide from air is also absorbed by these leaves, and now water is absorbed through soil. We know that soil contain water, or we water plant through soil. So roots of the plant absorb these water, and now this water and carbon dioxide together combine in the leaf to form glucose, which is C6H12O6, and we know that glucose is also called as sugar, which is the stored form of food in case of plant, and along with glucose, that is sugar, plant also produce oxygen, which is released in the atmosphere. So hope you are clear with the process of photosynthesis. That is, in the presence of sunlight, plant absorb carbon dioxide from air and water and mineral from the soil through roots, and then further combining this carbon dioxide and water and mineral, a chemical reaction happens, which results in the formation of sugar, that is C6H12O6, and also oxygen. Plant store the C6H12O6 for itself and releases oxygen in the atmosphere. Now this is it for today's video. I'll very soon come up with the next video where I'll discuss about the essential raw materials that plant need in the process of photosynthesis and what are the exact steps which a plant undergo in the process of photosynthesis. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope this video helped you. Please, my dear students, do like my video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel for more such videos.